The Port Authority's mandate is to ensure Canada's trade objectives are met. Centerm is an important component of that, and Centerm is one of 4 container terminals here in the Port of Vancouver.
The Centerm Expansion Project will deliver a variety of new equipment and technologies. 2 new container handling key cranes will be delivered. These cranes will be the largest cranes on the inner harbour in Vancouver. They will be delivered with cutting-edge technology, able to operate at world-class productivity levels and provide a reliable, efficient service to our customers.
The arrival of the rail-mounted gantry cranes and the key cranes is a critically important milestone towards completion of the work. And we're really proud of the work that we've done with the many stakeholders who have an interest in this project.
We are building a world-class terminal here on the inner harbour of Vancouver that will support the diversity of Trans-Pacific trade well into the future.